In this video, I'm going to show you how you can appear offline in the new Steam update. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the top left corner of your screen, click on Steam and then Settings. And then on the left side, you're going to want to click on Interface, and down at the bottom, Set Taskbar Preferences. And you can go ahead and add all of these online options, but you at least need to add offline. And then once you do that, go ahead and click OK. And click OK again. And then down at your Windows taskbar, if you right click on the Steam icon, you'll notice that you have options to change your online status. So if you go ahead and click offline, it's going to change your status to offline. And if I go ahead and click on my profile, you'll notice that it says currently offline, and it'll stay offline even when you restart Steam until you change it. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. If not, feel free to leave a like, and thank you for watching.